Rattrap Productions, we show you how to do stuff. Today I'm going to show you how to change out the manual locking hub on anything that has a manual locking hub, but specifically a first generation. This is a 1986 Toyota 4Runner or truck, pickup truck. Rattrap Productions, we show you how to do stuff. Here we go.
So this is a 10 millimeter. Okay, make sure that this is in the free position. All right, you don't want it in the lock position, you want it in the free position. I'm going to go ahead and be real nice with this. These are kind of delicate, which is why I can break them and hold this guy. Now just pull it out. Okay, you're looking for water damage and stuff like that. It doesn't look like these are too bad. Next, you're going to take these off. This is a 12 millimeter, so these are 10. This is a 12 millimeter. You'll notice that it's going to want to turn as you're turning it, just like the last one did, but these are on a lot harder. So one thing that you can do is you can put this for some leverage. Pull this way. Put pressure this way while you're lifting up. Like that. Okay? Then you're going to remove these, but do not remove them the entire way. Actually, you want to remove them until they're just about flush, like that. So you'll see that right here, this is a little washer, right? Okay, a little lock washer. Then you'll see there's a washer right here too, and it's got a little split in it. Okay, that's called a cone washer. All right. So what you want to do is you've got to pop these out because it's conical shaped. You'll see when I pop out, so that it presses this guy in there. Okay, but I got to get these out if I'm going to get this off. So
And it comes out like this one did.
and I go ahead and just take this off once everything is removed. Now you'll see pin, pin, right? Pin, pin. That way you can't mess it up. So during assembly, you know that these pins have to line up, and what happens is it matches into this gear. Boom, boom, like that. Okay? So you just match it up. Bada boom, bada bang. Put my gasket on here. Now I'm going to line up these two pins. Put it on the spine. You can spin this. If it doesn't go on, spin it a little bit. There we go. Put your cone washers in. Put your washers on. And that's on. "23 foot-pounds. Done with that. Install bolt with washer, 13 foot-pounds. Oh, I'm going to have to put vice grips on that axle. Oh. And now we got to torque these to 7 foot-pounds. That is nothing. Because these will break. And then it's broken off inside the body of the freewheeling hub. And we don't want that.
Rattrap Productions, we show you how to do stuff. Today I showed you how to change out the manual lockout for a 1986 or first generation Toyota 4Runner or pickup truck.